Bakeries all over are gonna go nuts over this recipe. It's super delicious and easy to make. For starters, we'll add 3 eggs, a cup of sugar, half a cup of oil, 120 milliliters of milk, (200 grams of chopped up sweet potatoes, and we'll just blend it for a few minutes. Meanwhile, let me know in the comments whether you prefer sweet or savory recipes. I would love to know your preferences. Now let's pour our mix into another recipient. Then let's add 200 grams of flour, and we'll just mix it. It will be a very smooth mix, like this. Now let's add 50 grams of grated coconut. We'll continue to mix it. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Let's keep mixing it for a few more minutes. And the batter's supposed to look this thick, okay? Now let's pour our batter into a mold that's already been greased. And I already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. Now let's leave it there for 35 minutes. And look at the result, you guys. What a delicious cake. It smells amazing. You have no idea. Try it at home because I'm sure you and your whole family will absolutely love it. Check out how fluffy it is, guys. I really hope you liked this recipe. We made it with a lot of love. And if you did, don't forget to share it with all of your friends. Lots of love and see you next time.